PGDM versus MBA, that I believe both are equal in terms of weightage. It doesn't have a different unbalanced weightage because दोनों एक बॉडी है हमारे पास इंडिया में AICT and MBA, sorry UGC. AICT is All India Council for Technical Education and UGC University Grant Commission. Institution has to get affiliation from either one of the body. अगर UGC से आया है तो MBA वाले यूनिवर्सिटी होंगे, यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन, सिंस इट इज यूनिवर्सिटी, आपका जो डिग्री होगा वो MBA वाला होगा. और अगर इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑटोनोमस है तो उनको UGC वाले नहीं मिलेगी, उनको AICT वाले मिलेगी.
For our generation, I think they said computers are coming and all these jobs are going to go. But actually computers came and created a lot of jobs. A lot of IT engineers and a whole industry has come up during that. AI also will do the same. We see a lot of potential. For example, in 2027, I think around 22 lakh product manager jobs are going to come out from all the companies or product companies you're talking about, let it be Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, all these companies. They're going to create a lot of jobs and AI will actually create more jobs, not take away any of them.
Out of my research, the students are not understanding the business scenarios. So you think that we are going to work for somebody. If you are working for somebody also, you need to understand the business. You please try to understand one philosophy. Business is by the people, for the people. As long as if you are working as an employee, if you are understanding the people requirement and their problems, and if you are able to provide the solutions, employment always available for you to build your career. If you don't understand the language of the business, you never have a great placement. The people are understand only this language. Understanding the business is more required than anything as on date.
I will encourage students to not just understand the business landscape as sir has mentioned, understand various tools that are used, to enhance the efficiency, right? So for example, in the course of analytics, you will learn how to analyze data, and data is the new oil. What I tell my students, all these years, which are the biggest money churners? They were oil companies, whether IOCL, BPCL, British Petroleum. But companies like Meta, Google, Microsoft, they have the data, consumer data, what you are doing day in, day out, what you are buying, right? What is your online journey? And they are evaluating all this data to target you, right? So
मिट्टी इस अर्थ पे कितने सालों से? Millions of years. वो मिट्टी का घड़ा बन रहा है कितना दिन में? 2 दिन में. मिट्टी कितने साल से? Millions of years. अभी हम जो मिट्टी से जुड़े. वो जो 2 साल में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा वो घड़े में होगा. लेकिन अभी वेरिएबल क्या है? अगर मिट्टी में ही प्रॉब्लम है, वो घड़े मटके बनाने वाला कुछ भी कर ले, वो घड़े में से पानी ठंडा नहीं होने वाला. कुछ भी कर लो. या अगर मिट्टी में थोड़ी सी भी क्वालिटी है, वो घड़े वाला उसको बराबर बना देता है ठंडा पानी के लिए. Now it is not the responsibility just of the management school. It is also the responsibility of the mitti, which is you, to transform. मैं आपको लाख बोलूं, ये सीखो, वो सीखो, ये करो, वो करो, लेकिन आप सिर्फ नहीं, मुझे तो प्लेसमेंट ही चाहिए, कुछ नहीं होगा.
So those who have work experience, it is good to have work experience. It helps you not only in the classroom during your program, it also helps you when you sit into the placement. When an employers come and they want to recruit people, they first would want to speak to kids who have work experience. And of course, because you are earning an X amount of salary, when you negotiate your salary for your role, you definitely get more than what you have been earning before. Again, someone who's a rookie has not started, and this will be their first job.
Colleges, then go to these colleges and understand from them that how best can they, offer you in terms of betterment of your profile and getting, you placed into a good salary bracket.
Right. So you are getting that flavor. It is not going outdated. It is not going to eat your job. Yes, we have to be updated. Government of India is spending around 500 CR this year budget towards the AI enablement. So I think yes, we all have to gear up. The universities are gearing up as you require.